Go away.
Start.
Get out of there. Oh.
Yeah. You're dumb.
Start it.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video, and today I'm just showing y'all my curly hair routine. All of these products are from the drugstore, so it is very affordable. So if you would like to see my routine, just keep on watching. So the first thing I am going to do is shampoo my hair, and I'm using the Maple Remedy Whole Blend shampoo, and this replenishes, nourishes, and repairs your hair. It has castor oil and maple extracts in it. This is really good for my hair, and it makes my hair feel so soft. I love this shampoo. And by the way, I only wash my hair once a month. Other than that, I just co-wash and deep condition and all of that. Then I condition my hair, and I'm using the Tea Tree Mint Conditioner by Organics. I also love this conditioner because I just feel like it really conditions my hair. Like, it makes my hair feel so good, and it also feels so good on the scalp because it's tea tree mint. I love it. Like, I just feel like it's so soothing. just gonna let that conditioner sit in my hair while I go ahead and wash, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. So I will be masking today, and I'm taking this Whole Blends repairing mask. I love this Whole Blends line if y'all can't tell, but this has honey in it. I feel like this mask helps so much with my curl pattern. Like, I really think it helps define it more, but I love this because it also helps with my ends, because my ends get dry really easily, so this is also good for that. Taking this Whole Blend spray. This is a 5-in-1 lightweight spray. It has green tea and green apple extracts in it. It's a lightweight leave-in spray, so it primes, softens, detangles, protects, and conditions. This really helps with detangling, y'all. Like, y'all need this if y'all struggle with detangling y'all hair. And as y'all can see throughout this video, I finger detangle. I do not use like a comb or a brush or anything. I just go straight in with my fingers. So for a leave-in conditioner, I'm also going to be taking this Maple Remedy conditioner. It's a restoring conditioner, and it also has the castor oil maple extracts. It goes with the shampoo. So this really deeply nourishes and reinforces and repairs, and it is paraben free. I do like to go by the lock method, so I do my leave-in, my oil, and then my cream. So for my oil, I'm going to go in with this coconut milk anti-breakage serum by Organics. I love this oil. It smells so good. It has coconut milk, coconut oil, and egg whites in it. I don't know what that do. Oh, it says it's for protein. But this is going to help strengthen your hair. It's going to help with elasticity and hydration. So it's going to be an overall balance for healthy hair. And this stuff is really good because it adds shine to my hair. And I be needing that because sometimes it just be looking dull. So for my cream, I'm using this brand called Maui. I don't know if that's how you say it, but just bear with me. And it's the Curl Quench and Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. This is for thick, curly hair. I've been needing this because I have thick hair, y'all. And it has rich coconut oil and papaya butter in it. It's really good. It's silicone free. I love this stuff. Now, just to let y'all know, I went and did 4 sections just because I'm putting my hair right into a bun after this. But if y'all really want to define your curls and make your curl pattern come out more, take smaller sections, y'all. So, you know, that pretty much completes my curly hair routine. I do this routine every week, and that is excluding the shampoo and the mask. Everything else I always do once a week. And that's it, you know. So that completes today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And please be sure to like this video, comment down below, and then subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank y'all so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.
Oh,